Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Princess Ukpai here. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Guys, do not forget that you can follow me on any of my social media platforms written down below. So guys, yeah, for today's video I just decided to create this look and I hope you guys like it. Like, this is like a new refurbished look, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And yeah, I have a special announcement at the end of this video, so keep watching till the end to know what the announcement is. Okay, so guys, before we get into this video, I just need you to do me a little favor by clicking the subscribe button so you can be a member of this family, know when I upload a new video. And yeah, so without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, I'll first start with my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer to prime my face. Then I use my Essence Gym Proof Primer. It's a matte primer to just, you know, matte my face. Then I'll use my Mary Kay foundation on my face. And then I'll take my damp beauty blender to blend this foundation. I'll spray on some setting spray on my face and just go back with my beauty blender to make sure my foundation is well blended. Then using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee, I'll use it to highlight my face. Using this very tiny brush, I will just use it to kind of like make sure I get that thin line on the bridge of my nose. I'll go ahead and just blend. Now I'll take my LA Girl concealer in the shade Espresso and I'll just use it to contour my face. My beauty blender to blend. Then I'll take this Jordana caramel powder and I'll just take a very little of it and just use it on my face. Now I'll use a brush too. Okay, then I'll take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I'll just use it to set my face. And setting my face, I'll take very little of the powder. I'll go back with that tiny brush and use it to set my nose. I'll use my brush to dust off all this powder. Then I'll use my eyebrow pomade from IGBO. Taking this very thin brush, I will just use it to draw on my eyebrows. I'll first take a spoolie to brush my brows. And then I'll take a spoolie and just use it to brush the brows. I'll take this Divage brow fix gel to just kind of fix my brows so it doesn't, you know, clean off. Then I'll take my LA Girl concealer in the shade Toffee and use it to clean up my brows, like just line it. Just take this brush to, you know, blend all this foundation, all this concealer on my eyes. Now I'll go back with my setting powder and I'll just kind of set my underbrows. And then I'll go back and bake my hair, under my eyes. So this is just like a base for my foundation, so I don't stain my face. You understand? Sorry, what did I just say? This is like a base for my eyeshadow, so I don't stain my face. I would kind of like prime my eyelids using my concealer. I'll be using my James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I would first be going with this shade. And then to brighten that shade a little bit, I'll go with this. Just kind of like mix it up, mix the two shades together. Then I'll use this. Next, I'll go with this for here. Then I'll go with this glitter shade. Then I'll take this very thin brush and this glitter shade, and I'll just kind of spike it into the previous glitter. So it just has a little bit of both, but not too much. Now I'll just go ahead and dust off all this powder here. Now I'll go with my NYX gel liner. and I'll use it to draw on my wings. And then I'll be using this powder foam or something on my face, so I don't clean off the powder on my face in the process. And I'll take this black liner and use it for my waterline. Then I'll just apply my mascara. And then I'll apply mascara to my lower lashes. Using my Mary Kay powder in the shade Bronze 2, I'll just take a brush and just, apply it to my contour areas. Then I'll spray my Essence Gem Finish Setting Spray on my face. I'll take my tiny brush and apply highlighter to the bridge of my nose. Using this highlighter, guys. Then I'll take my fan brush to highlight my other areas. Now for my lips, I will be using my e.l.f. Lipstick in the shade Blushing Brown. I'll just take my lip brush because I want to use it to kind of like line my lips. And then with my Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Bear It All. Guys, this is the matte lip effect. I think I want to kind of gloss it a little bit, so I'll just take my lip gloss, just put a little bit on my finger, and using my lip brush again, I'll just take it. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you staying up to this point. And guys, yeah, at the beginning of this video, I told you guys I have a special announcement. I'll be doing a giveaway today. Yes. And okay, this giveaway is for one special person who has supported me from the beginning of my channel. Since I started this channel, this particular person has been there, like always giving me ideas, so just basically supporting me. Like, I just want to show my appreciation to this person, and I'll be giving my James Charles palette to this particular person, and this person is Ellen. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being there. I know you're gonna see this because you always watch all my videos, you always leave your comments, and you always have something, like some kind of idea you have to give me at the end of, I don't know, you've always been there. I just want to say thank you for sticking by, and thank you for being a supporter. And guys, for the rest of my supporters, I love you guys all. I love all of you guys. I thank you for being there. Like, without you guys, this channel wouldn't be what it is. So thank you for being a member of this family. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. And to thank you guys, like, I'll be doing a giveaway in a few weeks time, which will involve all of you guys. So that giveaway will involve everybody, and it's just gonna be my little way of saying thank you for being a member of this makeup family. Anyway, so thank you, Ellen, and thank you the rest of the gang for being a member. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.